Every child's why is the start of something extraordinary.
Through our Why Should I workshops, children discover self-worth, learning to believe in themselves. They understand emotions and how empathy builds stronger connections.
They learn to think differently, turning challenges and doubts into creative solutions.
They find their voice, expressing with clarity and confidence in every space.
They learn to act and live with respect in all spaces, building awareness and responsibility.
They stay curious, discovering the joy of science and the wonder of the everyday life.
This winter, we want to give your child a space where curiosity feels safe.
Where every why they ask is met with patience, kindness, and real discovery.